Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do a little hack. I got some stuff from Jamaica today, guys. So my cousin, one of my favorite cousins in Jamaica, she knows I love donuts, right? And you see, I put them up there for a reason because my kids is gonna eat them. And so she sent me a care package from Jamaica with donuts, and I like Donkey Kong. But the one, that's what we call it in Jamaica. But the one that she sent me are these new ones. It's called Jackass Corn. Something like that. Corn. Yeah. And so my husband wanted some Dutch pot or some Jamaican pots. And those came in the package too as well. But I'm going to show you what happened. So here, the pot is stuck. So I was told, and this is what I saw online, that I need to get water under here. Make sure I fill under here with water, in which that's what you see I'm doing. And then I'm going to put it on the stove. So hold on guys. And let's see what happened. I'm going to put this, hold on, just 1 second. So I fill the bottom one with water, and we're going to see. They said turn it on and you can take it out. So currently I put the pot on the stove, okay? Some huge pots, but my husband is a through heart Jamaican, and he just likes stuff the way he likes it. And see, now I put it on here and I kind of see like it's moving up, but I'm not sure. But what they said will happen is, they said the bottom pot will expand and it will allow the top pot to come out. So hold tight and we're gonna see, okay? So currently it's boiled up. So I'm gonna take it off because you can see the water was coming up here, and I'm gonna take it over there or on the floor and see if it will release. Not sure. Hold on, let me tell you. So I did everything. The spot is hot. I put it on the stove to boil. Boiling water was in between, and they're still stuck together. So if you have any hacks or you know how to do this, please comment below and let me know how to unlock these two pots